Good morning guys, this is me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of the precious metal gold. Guys, as we can see on the 2 hourly time frame, we discussed about the symmetric triangle pattern that the precious metal gold was forming. As you can see here, the market was trading in between a symmetric triangle pattern, and gold was trading somewhere around here when we discuss about the fact that there are strong odds of bearish bias below 1973 level, and below this the market was forming doji patterns, spinning top patterns, or the candles, and then all of a sudden there was a dramatic dip in the prices of gold, and it has closed the bearish engulfing pattern here, which is suggesting that the investors are extremely bearish about the gold. Then later on the market has come down to test the low level of 1935 level, although I was expecting although this was our support level and I was expecting it to drop a little bit more, but it actually tested our support level of 1935 level. At the moment the gold is trading within a sideways trading range of 1954 to 1935 level. Guys, 1954 or 55 is the same level which has extended a very solid resistance to the precious metal gold in the past. Therefore we can say that this is going to provide a tough time to the precious metal gold. Anyways, as we can see here, once again the market has come down into the symmetric triangle pattern, so we can say that above 1935 we can expect a continuation of an upward trend in the market. On the higher side, the immediate resistance that the precious metal gold is likely to find is going to be 1954 at first, and secondly there can be 1973 level which can extend resistance to the precious metal gold. Above this we can expect, like I will take the liberty to drag this particular resistance level slightly lower, because the downward trend line is dropping down, and this may limit the movement of the precious metal gold until there is a breakout. Anyways, we have to keep an eye on 1984 on the higher side. Then on the lower side I have to zoom in so that you can see it properly. On the higher side, 1973 is going to be the resistance. Well guys, today we are not expecting any massive movement in the precious metal gold. However, a day after today, like tomorrow, we have NFP figures coming out from the US session, from the US economy, which is likely to report the mixed sentiment. Therefore we can see some major price action in the precious metal gold, and the dollar can determine its trend for the next week. So maybe tomorrow we can expect a breakout on the higher side or on the lower side, but today we are expecting gold to trade in between 1935 level to 1954 level, and the mess on the like above 1955, the next resistance is going to be 1973. Well, in case of a bearish breakout, the market has potential to go after 1908 level, but again I am not expecting any major or massive movement in the precious metal gold today. So let's look for a choppy sessions in between 1935 to 1955 or 1973. So guys, that's pretty much it for gold today. See you guys soon with another trade setup. Until then, take care of yourself and have a very profitable session ahead. That's all. Have a very nice weekend. See you guys next week with more forecast videos. Take care guys. Bye bye.